I don't know how to say it. I know so many people will be wondering why I'm smiling. Yes, I should smile because it calls for celebration. And anybody who is happy, there must be a reason why you are happy. And I am happy because I have a reason to be happy. I just remember that today is the 11th of June 2022. And that is a wonderful and beautiful union, beautiful journey that took off 11 years ago. And it's 11 years today, 11 years of happiness, 11 years of fruitfulness, 11 years of wonderful and peaceful marriage. And we are still counting. To me, it seems it's just 1 year, or I think we're just starting, because I have never experienced anything, or I've not seen any reason that will make me say this marriage is paining me, or the shoe I'm wearing is pinching me somewhere. No, I have always seen a reason to keep on pushing, because I know they said when you're chotarezi wine, and the best thing that can happen to any man is to locate your main wife, your own wife, and not another person. So as you can see, I'm smiling, and there's so many things God has blessed me with. Will I count good health? Will I count good life? Will I count good amenities? Will I count achievements? To crown it all, He has given me wonderful children, because I say, Onyobola Chuku Gozi, Nyegi Wine, whatever Mujadi, me my him, Nde Chuku Gozi, Mutiwine, Nemutabe, my Hana Gabika. God has blessed me with 3 children, wonderful children at that, not just children, but 2 boys and a girl. And I'm still expecting more, but maybe that will be later, you know. So please, nobody should ask me when, because my mother is desperately in need of more grandchildren, and I promise her I will give her some. Miss Sama David Kute is my first son. By the special grace of God, he's doing well, and he's entering secondary school very soon. Can't you see, God is really doing wonders. My second son, Emmanuel Kosi Sochuku Anokute, and my beautiful daughter, my amiable daughter, my royal baby, her name is Osina Chuku Mary Royalty Anokute. You can see it is not easy. It can only be God. I keep telling people that once you have God in your family, you see everything working, working in a pleasant way for you.
Happy wedding anniversary to Eliza Nam and Eliza name. That's Chief Imo and the wife. To an amazing couple, super 2, inspiring 2. You can't see them and not feel like falling in love. They are just amazing the way they are. And here is wishing them super 11. They've not seen nothing yet. The Lord will raise them. All that concerns them, the Lord will perfect. The world is going to hear their voice. They've not seen anything, the Lord will bless them like never before. All I'm saying to Chief Imo and the family, get ready. Are you ready for the blessings of the Lord?
Today happens to be the 11th of June 2022. I'm also celebrating my 11th year anniversary. So today I'm encouraging every couple, I'm encouraging every family, I'm encouraging the younger ones who are yet to step into it. Marriage, it has not been so easy anyway. People think it is easy. Or sometimes when I see people that are getting married, or the way people prepare for wedding, they forget there is something they call marriage. The main thing, marriage, is what matters, and not the wedding itself. The wedding is just to call people, let them come and witness the exchange of vow. You know, then the main thing for everlasting look, and the way you handle it is what matters. The way you handle it is what makes you whom you are. The way you handle it is the thing that will bring out your beauty, or that will bless you where you and your unborn children, your next generation, will stand. If you mess up now, it will affect your generation. If you mess up tomorrow, the same your generation will be messed up. So let us do more in impacting more positivity in the main marriage than the wedding day. And again, my wife, I keep on all of you, many of you that are following but that I've always appreciate her, not only on social media. Why I do it all the time is not because I want to show off, but then each time I do, a lot of people turn around, a lot of people learn, a lot of people say, oh, this thing I'm doing is not good. since Chief Imo can do this, let me also turn. And I've had so many testimonies, a lot of families calling me because of this thing you did to your wife. My husband now imitated you. My husband now is simulating you. My husband now is doing the same way you are doing. Thank you for saving my marriage. Because of that advice you gave that day on social media, my husband listened to it, my wife listened to it, and they have all changed for good. So that is my reason of most times I bring out some of those things. Not that we don't have quarrel. We quarrel now, and in fact we quarrel like cat and rat. But our quarrel always turn to our comedy. Our quarrel always turn to happiness. It always turn to stepping up in life. It always turn to a positive change. I might not know it all. She don't know it all. But our ability of understanding each other, that this man is human, this woman is human, and both of us were raised by different parents. Our ability of coming together to live as one is what matters.
Hello everyone. First of all, I want to wish myself and my husband, my kids a happy 11th wedding anniversary. It has been God from day one. I want to bless God from the first day I met him. In fact, he gave me my home. He gave me my heart. That's why I used to call it open. Open means my heart. So it's just there in my heart. I want to bless God for his life. I want to thank God for my beautiful kids. I want to bless God for giving me a wonderful, loving and caring husband, and also blessing us with 3 handsome and beautiful kids. God bless you with boys and lovely girls.
Having said all this, today I want to make a toast. Yes, I want to pray and I want to wish that I have made my family proud. My wife too have made her family proud. My prayer is that my children will also make us proud. They will make me proud. I will never see any cause to regret giving birth to them. And 2 of us will grow older with our grey hair to carry our great-grandchildren, just like my mother is seeing her great-grandchildren today. And my mother-in-law too. My prayer is that everything good, that God should give us good health, to live healthy, to train them, to raise them in the ways of the Lord. Not just raising them, because raising children, anybody can raise children. But how did you raise them matters a lot. I pray that they will also emulate the positive side of our life and then put it in their action, so that people outside there will also learn through their lifestyle. My prayer too is that this very light, they say we are the light to the world and we are also the salt to the world. Then if we lost our taste, we become worthless. Then the under the table. But you bring the light on top of the table so that the whole world will see through. So because we are the light, and so many families are seeing through us, our children will also take that light and let it continue to shine in their path. And God will continue to protect us, preserve us from the hands of the evil ones. That He will protect our going out and our coming in, even when we don't even know that He in heaven will show us mercy, because the mercy of God is what matters. If mercy of God is not upon you, you are just battling and walking in vain. My prayer too goes to all the families. I toast for your greatness. I toast for your fruitfulness. There are families that are seeking for the fruit of the womb. This prayer is for you. I use this video as a point of contact to contact all the mothers, all the married ones, all couples that are believing God for fruit of the womb. That this period, by the power in this union, by the power in this celebration, that both of you, all of you will conceive and answer father and mother of plenty children, as many as you want, in Jesus' name. Continue to bless us, and God will continue to bless your family. For those of you who are watching our videos, following us on Instagram, following our programs, subscribing, and then making sure that everything we do have due, God will continue to view your account. You will never go dry. Yes, whatever you place your hands upon, He said, I will bless the works of your hands. God will bless the works of your hand. He will give you reason to smile and not to shed tears. In Jesus' name I pray. Thank you. This is 11. Next year will be 12. And we'll continue until we celebrate 100-year anniversary. We love you all, Chief Imo and the family.
a toast. For my husband, I want to say, if I say God bless him, he's already blessed. He's a blessed man already. But I want to say God keep guiding and protecting him. Evil eyes will never see him.
Happy 11th year wedding anniversary to us. Thank you for celebrating us. We love you. We love you. Hey, we love our